Hi, I'm Shomrat, and this is about my experience about the ABIM center I visited for LWB. So actually, this happened in 23rd of Jan this year itself, and I had to share this, especially with Shilpi and Anupam ji and all the other people out there. So I had been there as a guest visiting this center, and I'll tell you when I that day was very busy for me actually, and I wouldn't have gone, but I had gone there because it involved a lot of small kids. But when I reached the center, it surprised me actually. What I found, which struck me, it's not about the kids only. It involved the entire community out there. It involved their parents. And the whole team of LWB was involved. A great shout out to Antora who was there, to Shilpi, to Anupam ji for putting out so much time in this thing. And I have been in the development sector for a very long time, a pretty very long time, and I myself has worked with international and national stakeholders. The biggest problem that I find when people try to bring a change, or an NGO tries to bring a change, is they focus only on the beneficiary, and that was completely different about LWB. So they were focused not only on those small kids, because they knew that most of the time that they spend is with their parents, is at their community. So involve their parents, it involve their community. And they have set up such a fantastic computer center. It's a small school that they've set up so that these small kids can attend school without paying fees. Also, there is a fantastic computer center for them to learn computer from a very young age. Add to that, they had a lot of extracurricular like dancing, and then presenting themselves on the stage. It was a grand thing. And the way Anupamji went on the stage and interacted with these kids were like fantastic. I had been there, and I thought that the place is very far away from where I live, and it's a holiday, what should I do? But I'm glad that I went there, and I really would love to see LWB doing more. And you know what the best part is? I had been there on the first day, the inauguration day, and when I saw pics after 1 month, the development was even more fantastic. So I urge all of you, if possible, go visit the place. I had a fantastic experience, and I'm confident you will have the same. And a kudos to the entire LWB team, as I said, Antora, Shilpi, and of course Anupamji, for doing great work and involving not only the kids, but the community and the parents and the people, and providing not only a school but other facilities, which will go a long way. Keep doing it. Kudos. All the best. Bye-bye.